Carlos Serento, proud owner of Cars Body Shop, collision auto repair specialist in the city of Hesperia. In how many years I've started in the industry? I've been in the industry for over 20 years. I've been a proud Hesperian for the last 15 years, loving the city. What I enjoy most about this career is the freedom to be able to work with your hands, be able to take something that's crashed, wrecked, or not running properly, and take the joy and the proudness of being able to repair and construct something with your hands. It's a joy when you see that car all finished up, running perfectly. There ain't no happier and better feeling than that. I encourage young students to go into our field, into the automotive collision repair field, just for the fact that there's so many abilities, so many openings out there. It's a career that almost anybody could take, man or woman, and they could develop so many skills, encourage, be able to support a family, and make a very good living out of it. Know your history. Carlos Slim Gila, born January 28 in 1940 in Mexico City, is a Mexican entrepreneur who became one of the wealthiest people in the world. Know your opportunity. Victor Valley College offers 2 associate's degrees and 13 different certificates related to the automotive industry. The program allows the students to become well-rounded or to select a specialty as they prepare for a career in the automotive industry. This automotive program is an ASC accredited. VVC is the place to be.